We're gonna go over here and see what an original Solly's burger looks like. We're gonna see it made and hopefully get a little taste at the end.
Third-pound burgers going on here, and we can make it a double. We'll put two of these together. We can make it a cheesehead burger and just throw tons of stuff on there, mushrooms. We can put lettuce, tomato, mayonnaise, stewed onions, raw onions. The cheeseburger, the cheesehead goes about that big, that tall. We developed that in 1997 during the Super Bowl.
So simplicity if you like, or you can go with everything on it.
Go mad with these, yeah.
Go crazy, a crazy burger.
What kind of burger are you making here, Victoria?
Bacon blue and a double cheese.
Bacon blue cheeseburger.
Bacon blue cheeseburger, okay. So how long do you let it grill?
Probably about 4 to 5 minutes on each side.
On each side, okay. So it's kind of a process to wait a little bit.
When you're busy, you just do it.
Ooh, that looks so good.
It's gonna be yummy.
Do you eat a lot of these when you're here?
No.
No.
I try to stay away, but it's hard.
I was gonna say, if I worked here, I'd probably be taking one home every single day.
More so a treat house with the chocolate malts and the sassy cow malts we have now. So we're doing a lot of different things.
I was watching people order and what they're eating, and they're eating the malts, drinking those, and then having the burger. And I was saying earlier I needed maybe a nap after that, right?
Right, yeah. Wouldn't be a bad idea.
So these patties look a little bit thinner.
Yes. They're 6 of a pound patties.
And then we can make these with or without the onions. It all depends on what the customer wants. You know, cheeseburger, double cheeseburger, whatever. These are all 100% sirloin burgers.
You got the stewed onions that you're putting on there.
Right, we make 200 pounds of those a week. A little added sweetness to the burger. We had a guy come in from California once to do filming, and I offered him a cheeseburger. He said, no, with onions. And he said, no, I don't eat onions. And he said, well, I said, would you just like to try these stewed onions? And he said, all right, he said. And he ended up eating the whole burger and loved the onions.
You had him hooked. So you put the plate over top of the burger so it all kind of gets melty and delicious?
Melts the cheese down, yeah.
So it seems like your employees like to work here. It seems like a fun environment. How important is that to you?
We try and keep the culture here happy and working together, and that's not easy in today's world. It's you've got to find the right people and make sure everybody gets along together, and we have to take care of them so that they do get along together. And it's not just cooking hamburgers. It's not just paying bills. It's being a psychologist. It's
being a family.
And a family, right? Yeah.
So we got some bacon going on here. We got some melty cheeseburgers.
Apple smoked bacon. American cheeseburger. I put lettuce on a burger, lettuce, tomato, mayonnaise, and then we'll call that a special. Now the big part, the butter.
Ooh, the butter. Let's watch this.
Good old Wisconsin butter.
It's going to be sliding right off there in your mouth.
Yeah, just tuck your tie in.
You're right. You can't have a good burger with a little drippage.
Oh, it's
Gotta be a little drippy. Oh, that looks so good.
Thank you.
Compliments to the chef.